Hello and welcome to Seven Sentinels. This is Grand Master class and I am Peter Simon with you. Today we are going to correct the letter Amy Vineyard. Yes. Right. And the letter belongs to Neha, Banu. Fine. So we are writing the letter to Miss Lucy Van. Right. Your L, be careful with your L. Angle should be 90 degrees. It looks like small h. Okay. Registered nurse. Community Health Center. Saint Kilda. Community Health Center, Saint Kilda. Okay. And the date is 8th January 2009. Fine. Regarding Miss Amy Vineyard. Aged 21. Aged 21. Regarding Miss Amy Vineyard, aged 21. Here you have to leave a little bit of space. Dear Miss One. Dear Miss One. Okay. Right. Lucy One. Okay, VAN or WAN, we don't know. Okay, fine. That's Miss Amy Vineyard. Right, very good. Why one side inside, one side outside like this? Margins should be straight. Okay, see how it is going inside and coming out. Like that also you can say, or 6-week pregnancy. Okay. Right. Miss Amy Vineyard, a 6 weeks pregnant, a 6-week pregnant woman. Okay. So this is a wrong style. Okay. So you can say a 6-week pregnant woman. Like that you can write, or who is, okay, in her 6th week of pregnancy period, where different ways of writing, has been suffering from pregnant substance abuse. Pregnant substance abuse, pregnant spelling mistake again. So you don't know the spelling. So pregnant spelling is here, Pregnant, pregnant, 2 spelling mistakes now. So this is one spelling mistake. And this is another spelling mistake. Pregnant substance abuse. Okay. Miss Amy Vineyard, a 6 weeks of pregnant, has been suffering from. Who is a 6-week pregnant woman? Okay. Has been suffering. So no need comma here then. Okay. Here, who is? Then you can need a comma here. Has been suffering from. Okay. So here you can say right. So pregnant substance abuse, suffering from. Why are you using the word suffering from? Okay. It is diagnosed, not suffering. Okay. Okay, it's a diagnosis. So why don't you say who was diagnosed with pregnant substance abuse? You can write like that. No? Yeah. So this you can excuse Miss Amy Vineyard, comma, who was diagnosed with pregnant substance abuse, comma, Miss Amy Vineyard, who was diagnosed with pregnant substance abuse, comma, requires ongoing care and further support. No need she now. Requires. So this remove she and put a comma here. A comma, requires ongoing care. Why C capital letter? And further support at your facility after the discharge. After the discharge today, after being discharged today. Okay, after the discharge today also is fine. After being discharged today. Fine. Following the discharge today is better. Following the discharge today. So is after being discharged. That's also fine. But you can also say following the discharge. Following the discharge today. Following the discharge. Following the discharge today. So discharge, where is she going? Following the discharge today. That's fine. Right. Where does she stay? Refugee center. Okay. Care at the patient in care at, from the refugee center. Same as patient in your care at the St. Kilda's Refugee Center. Okay. She was self-admitted. She has self-admitted. You can write that one also there. Then so you can write in one sentence. Miss Vineyard has become aware of her pregnancy a day before her admission on 5th January 2009. 19. Miss Vineyard has become aware of her pregnancy a day before her admission. Okay, on 5th January 2019. Okay, fine. That's very good. Therefore, she had been self-admitted. Okay, she had been self-admitted. No, she self-admitted. She self-admitted. That's enough. She self-admitted. Simple past tense. She self-admitted. Okay, 5/1/2019. So that's it. Okay, she was self-admitted. Self-admitted. So, in our center, with the complaint, YC capital letter. YC capital letter. With the complaints of lower back pain, comma, where is space after comma? No space before comma. Two mistakes. No space before comma and space after comma. Weight loss of 6 kg over the last 2 months. Right. And sleeping difficulty. Yes, small letter is needed. Here writing in the right margin. Don't write in the right margin here. Don't write in the right margin here. Don't write. Don't leave this. Start from here. Here, this side also you have a problem. This side also you have a problem. Okay, don't leave this space. Why this space here? Okay. Why is this space here? So if I say you think it's a mistake, no, what I can do is I can change it into a question mark. Yeah. Why this space here? And why this writing here? In the white space, both are mistakes. So next, 6 kg over the last 2 months and sleeping difficulty. However, why E capital letter here in the middle of the word? She, a small letter. She has a history of depression, space, unnecessary space before and after, for which excessive worry, excessive, why is E capital letter? Excessive worry and hallucinations have been noticed. Not has, it's have been noticed. During hospital stay, you can say hospitalization. During hospitalization, why hospital stay? 2 words, you can say hospitalization. She was tested and counseled regarding HIV, AIDS, and risk of sexually transmitted diseases. She was tested. Yeah, passive voice, very good. But why she? Why do you want to use personal pronouns? This is not a personal letter. So avoid personal pronouns as far as possible. Okay, she was tested. Tests were performed and counseling regarding tests were performed. Tests are important. So why she is not important? Tests were important. Okay. Tests were performed and counseling regarding counseled, C capital letter. Why C capital letter? So counseling regarding HIV, AIDS, and the risk of sexually why S capital letter? Sexually, why? All the words are together. U and I, why joined? X, U, A, all joined up, messed up. Transmitted, separate the letters now. MITTED. Why clarity is not there? Transmitted diseases. Additionally, what is the spelling of additionally? ADDI, additionally. Okay. Additionally, discussion has been made regarding rehabilitation clinic. C capital letter, no need. For driving out. Okay. Okay. So discussions were organized, were conducted, our counseling was provided, our education was provided. Education was provided, has been made, discussion has been made. What do you mean by discussion has been made? Okay. Concerns regarding rehabilitation clinic for driving out were discussed. Like that you can say. Additionally, need for rehabilitation clinic, education regarding rehabilitation clinic for driving out was discussed. Okay. And next one. Miss Vineyard has no contact with her parents and lives with her friend. Full stop. After full stop, space is required. Miss Vineyard has no contact, see small letter, with her parents. Parents, ENTS, write clearly. Why do you want to mess up letters? Parents and lives with her friend. Okay. In addition, already you use the word additionally here. Then again in addition you are using. Okay, she. Space is not needed before comma. She smokes. Letters are not clear. S is capital letter. Why? She smokes. E is not clear. 30 to 40 cigarettes of nicotine daily. She smokes. Regular consumption of 30 to 40 cigarettes of nicotine and consumption extreme amounts and intake of consumption of 30 to 40 cigarettes, regular consumption of 30 to 40 cigarettes of nicotine, regular daily consumption of 30 to 40 cigarettes of nicotine, and extreme amounts of alcohol were notified. Was notified. Regular consumption was notified. Was notified. Yeah, passive voice, better. So regular daily consumption of 30 to 40 cigarettes of nicotine and extreme amounts of alcohol consumption intake have been notified. Okay. As well as this, no need. This is a mistake here. This is not fine. Okay, you cannot write, join these two sentences, this one and this one here. She shares equipment of injecting drugs occasionally. She shares. Why she again? Why E capital letter? Why S capital letter? Equipment, P, why it is going up? Of injecting drugs occasionally. Drug injecting equipment is shared occasional sharing of injecting equipment drugs. Drug injecting equipment, occasional sharing of drug injecting equipment has been informed. Okay. She shares equipment of injecting drugs occasionally. Very good. Sentence is correct. And just change it to past. However, already you wrote however here. Why are you repeating? However is here. This is come for the second time. However, you already told here. However, first time. Okay, however, one. Okay. Then however, two. Why however here again? She has been habituated. She, why as capital letter? She has been habituated or she was habituated of all her addictions since her teenage. She was addicted. She has been addicted. Since her teenage, she has been addicted or habituated to drugs. Habituated to all her addictions. Addictions means habituation only. Na? She has been addicted. Okay. She has been addicted or she was habituated. Okay. She has been addicted to drugs since her teenage. Fine. S a small letter. So both habituated and addictions, no. She has been addicted to, or she was habituated to take drugs, or she has been addicted to taking drugs since her teenage. So of all her addictions, this is not fine. Okay, any one you take, either habituated or addictions. If you take habituated, say drugs, addicted to drugs, habituated or addicted, same thing, meaning is same. Okay, besides this, self-harm hyphen is there. Self-harm hyphen in the past was reported. Self-harm in the past was reported, and she never consulted a physician. She never consulted a physician. She never consulted a physician, and a physician was never consulted. And a physician, self-harm in the past was reported. So here also, this also you can take passive, right? Self-harm, sorry, was not in the past was reported. And a psychiatrist, where is atrist? Where is the other word? Why on the table you have written or what? Write it on the paper. Don't go into this area, white area. Okay. And a psychiatrist was never consulted. Miss Vineyard expressed, why E capital letter? Don't say this is small letter, this is a capital letter. Miss Vineyard expressed the desire to cease, C-Y capital letter, alcohol consumption, okay, and drug abuse. However, why is capital letter? Again, third time, however. What are you doing, Neha? Neha. However is coming for the third time. Okay. So this is, however, number 3. Avoid repeating so many times. No desire to decrease or to stop smoking has been, okay. A reluctance to smoking cessation was observed. Reluctance to smoking cessation. Reluctance to smoke. Cease smoking. Reluctance to cease smoking. Stop smoking. Concerning smoking cessation. Concerning smoking cessation. Reluctance was noticed. Reluctance was noticed or expressed. Okay. Noticed or expressed. Right. Upon discharge, U capital letter. Upon discharge, she is interested to continue. She, Y capital letter. Continue, Y capital letter. Upon discharge, she is interested to continue. She is interested to continue living with her friend. Okay, living with her friend. Kindly encourage. Why E capital letter? Kindly encourage her to participate in methadone program of Alcoholics Anonymous meetings and psychiatric support groups. Kindly encourage her to participate in methadone program of Alcoholics Anonymous meetings Okay, where is off? Methadone program Alcoholics Anonymous meeting. Okay. And psychiatric support groups. Why capital letters here in the middle of the sentence? No need, no? Capital letters not necessary. It would be greatly appreciated if you could arrange community mental health nurse visits. Arrange community, see small letter. Community mental health nursing visits. Nursing visits or nurse visits? Community mental health nursing required. Arrange visits for community mental health nursing. Like that you can say. Okay. So these visits for 2 weeks. You can write in fortnight. A fortnight. Okay, for 2 weeks daily. Okay, arrange daily visits for 2 weeks daily and maternal health clinic appointment for the first trimester. Ultrasound at 2 weeks of pregnancy. Pregnancy, again spelling mistake. Okay. At 2 weeks of pregnancy. If you have further queries, please do not hesitate to contact me. Is this looking like C? Is looking like U for me. Okay. Yours faithfully. Y capital letter. So this no need. Faithfully, comma. Y comma. Lucy Van. Why faithfully? Why did you write faithfully here, first of all? I don't understand. I have to say yours sincerely, no? Because name is there. Yours sincerely. And leave 2 lines. 1 line and leave another line. Then you start writing registered nurse. Registered nurse. Leave 2 lines here. Leave 2 lines. Saint Kilda Women's Refugee Center. Saint Kilda Women's Refugee Center. Saint Kilda Women's Refuge Center. Fine. So that's it. So here is your letter. File, save as. Okay. So thank you for watching. Subscribe the channel, like and share. Support us so that we can help more. We can provide the best for you. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.